Imagine this. You sit down to work, and 2 hours later you look up and boom, you finished a task that used to take you 2 whole days. No distractions, no procrastination, no, let me just check Instagram real quick. You didn't need motivation, you didn't need willpower. You used something way better. This is how to be so productive it feels illegal, even if your brain feels like it runs on weak Wi-Fi from another planet. Stop trying to be disciplined. People say, bro, just be more disciplined. Me, discipline? I can't even fix my sleep time, and you want me to build an empire? Here's the truth. Productivity is not about forcing yourself hard. It's about building smart systems that make your lazy self win without fighting. Illegal hack number 1, make your phone boring. Want to enter beast mode? Turn your phone into a useless brick. Delete every app that doesn't pay you or teach you something. Put Instagram, TikTok, games in a folder called Distraction Prison. Set screen time limits like you're your own strict mom. Turn the screen black and white, super illegal. Why? Because you don't rise to your goals with motivation, you fall down to the level of your environment. Change the environment equals win. Illegal hack number 2, morning wake and win routine. Most people wake up and first thing grab their phone. Ugh, what day is it? Oh, look, a funny pigeon meme. Brother, you already lost the day. Do this instead. First 30 minutes after waking equals no phone. Drink a big glass of water like you're saving a desert. Move your body for 5 minutes. Stretch, walk, or punch the air like you're fighting your problems. Write down 3 things you will finish today. This tells your brain, today we are not just surviving, we are winning. Illegal hack number 3, the 3-hour deep work block. Real work happens here, not in multitasking, not in checking messages 67 times, not in fake I'm busy vibes. How to do it? Pick one task, set a 90-minute timer, wear headphones, turn on Do Not Disturb, do nothing else. After 90 minutes, walk, drink water, feel proud, then repeat. It feels like entering the Matrix, but instead of dodging bullets, you dodge notifications. Illegal hack number 4, focus triggers equal brain cheat codes. Train your brain like a pet. Use the same chair, same playlist, no lyrics, just deep beats, same hoodie, yes, the productivity hoodie is real, light the same candle or drink the same energy drink every time. Do it enough times and your brain automatically switches to focus mode. No motivation needed, it becomes muscle memory. Illegal hack number 5, gamify your life. Your brain loves games, points, levels, and rewards. Let's use that power for good. Make a daily streak tracker. Every 90-minute deep work block equals 1 point. Reach 5 points equals give yourself a reward, ice cream, movie, whatever. Miss a day equals streak resets to 0. Use a whiteboard, Notion, or an app, just make your progress visible. Boredom doesn't kill productivity, not seeing progress does. Illegal hack number 6, protect your energy like a boss. You don't need more time, you need more energy. Sleep well, guard it like your money. Move your body every day, even 10 minutes helps. Write down your thoughts every night, journal, or talk to someone. Eat decent food equals think clearly. No energy equals no focus equals 0 results equals sadness plus endless scrolling. Illegal hack number 7, stop multitasking. It's fake. Instead, give each day a theme. Monday equals only study. Tuesday equals only writing. Wednesday equals only editing. Friday equals rest or catch up. This removes what should I do now decisions. Less thinking equals more doing. Final message, you are not lazy, you're just fighting without good weapons. If you feel unmotivated, scattered, or tired all the time, it's not because you're broken, you are just using tools that don't match how your brain works. But now you have the cheat codes. Use even 2 or 3 of these hacks and people will ask, how do you get so much done? And if you want the free productivity toolkit template I use every day, drop a brain emoji in the comments. And if you want to study faster than a Harvard student and feel like you're cheating legally, click the video right here.